accidentally deleted WhatsApp and panicked? Don't worry, recovering your chats from a backup on your iPhone is easier than you think. Let's get started. First, and this is super important, make sure you've previously backed up your WhatsApp chats to iCloud. If you haven't, this process won't work, and you'll need to explore alternative recovery methods that we will cover in another video. Now, if you are confident that your iPhone has been backed up to iCloud, delete the WhatsApp application from your iPhone. To do this, tap and hold on the WhatsApp icon until it jiggles, then tap the small X that appears, and confirm you want to delete it. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for WhatsApp. Tap the Install button to download and reinstall the app. Make sure you are downloading the official WhatsApp Messenger application. Once WhatsApp is reinstalled, open the app. You will be greeted with the WhatsApp welcome screen. Tap Agree and continue to proceed with the setup process. Enter your phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. WhatsApp will then send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code when prompted. This is the crucial step. WhatsApp will now detect if there's a backup associated with your phone number. In iCloud, you should see a screen prompting you to restore chat history. Tap on the Restore Chat History button. WhatsApp will now begin restoring your chats from the iCloud backup. The time this takes depends on the size of your backup and your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for faster restoration. Once the restoration is complete, tap Next and your chats should be back. You'll see all your conversations, groups, and media restored to your iPhone. Now you can breathe a sigh of relief.